Hello, it's Richard Smith from Amazing ICT, and I'm just going to show you a clever little idea for a pyramid game. So we're going to explore this pyramid, and in the end we're going to go inside the King's Chamber. So what we've got to start with is we've got two backdrops, one of the pyramid and one of the King's Chamber. The King's Chamber is marked by the red. So I've actually drawn that on with the red tool, just to make like a door, but it's not the fact, it's not the shape of it that's important, it's the color. So remember that's red. So if we go to the script now, can you see the cat only needs one costume. We're not worrying about making it run because it's going to be reduced in size. So when we start the game, we're going to switch to pyramid 1, so that's this diagram of the pyramid, and then we're going to set the size to 100 to make sure it's this full size. And then we're going to do something quite clever. We're going to do a little repeat in here, and I've just experimented. You can change the number here, so I'll change it, make it even smaller. I'll change it to 8, and it changes the size. It's going down, it's getting smaller each time, and it's saying I'm getting smaller, I'm getting smaller. And then it's going to glide over here to the start of the pyramid, the entrance, and then it's going to point the opposite direction. Notice that I've had to set this to left right, not the full 360 rotation, so that's critical. I had to debug it because that wasn't working. So I'll put the cat there and I'll play the game. So it's getting smaller, getting smaller. I'm reducing in size. I'm going to be able to go in the pyramid. Let me go over to the entrance. Oh, this is exciting. I'll turn round. There we are. Now I can control the cat. So I'm going to whiz along, and I can only move left. So I'm going to have to duplicate this. And then I want to move up. So I'm going to say up arrow. But instead of the X by -10, it's going to have to increase. It's going to have to go upwards. So it's going to be the Y axis. So now I can go up. So I'm going to whiz to the red door, and you can guess, am I touching the red door? No. Am I touching the red door? No. But when I do, I go into the King's Chamber. So you're going to need 2 more duplicates of this because you're going to need a right. I'll just duplicate that again. And you're going to need a down arrow. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you can do a better game than mine.